drinking Rastar, it's us the bottomies together. She got the new iPhone.
Right, welcome back to the channel. So I'm going to stick with this angle because I had a good reviews on the last one, good feedback, so we'll be sticking with that for now. Oh dear, if I feel if I cough or anything or sound nasally, it's because the hay fever's kicking me, but I could solve that by closing the door. Don't want to because lovely weather. It's meant to be again between 28 and 32 in the UK at the minute. So as you can see, I've already cracked on and got these off. I'll be putting the footage in a minute.
I'm drinking Rastar, it's us the bottomies together. She got the new iPhone, I got the Sony Ericsson. Got me fucked up, my baby made me trip again. Thinking about the things that she said, wasn't listening. Rastar, it's us the
Right, so after that ordeal, that was one of the hardest, most annoying things I've ever had to do. I've never known a wiper to be stuck on that much, hence why I've had to stop the camera. I ended up having to dig out in my shed a wiper delete kit, wiper removal tool kit thing, digging that off, and even then that's been an absolute joke. So if I just turn this round, I've now got it off. As you can obviously see, it is a bit dutted down the little sides, but I will be cleaning that. So to get it off, all you need to do, I say all you need to do, there's a little cap on the 2 bolts. They're a 15mm nut, which are actually doddle to take off. Turns out the actual wipers themselves are pain. It was this one that was the actual nightmare. I've had to coat that in WD-40 and everything, which I've now got all over my hands. But yeah, you can see there how much, well, all on the window, how much shit I've had to spray up. But yeah, you can see it's not pretty, but she's off. So what was meant to be a 5-minute job was a tosser. I've also, good job I've ordered some of these clips because it looks like they've actually snapped off as well. Check on the back of the panel actually. Yeah, a couple of them have snapped, so good job I bought some more clips, which was good thinking finally. So yeah, let's take this inside and give it that damn good coating. Well, actually I need to give it a good scrubbing first, but also need to give this a good scrubbing as well. So yeah, I'm kind of regretting this already of getting these off. Turns out this bit is just the pollen filter, the actual pollen filter cover. As you can see, it's very worn. If I flip it upside down, I've got to be careful how I touch it because I've already degreased it. But that's kind of black, and you can see it's very faded. This is the actual scuttle panel. I've already gone ahead and trimmed off this edge here. This is where the seal always is. And it goes horrible and brittle, but BMW, for some benign reason, decided it'd be a brilliant idea to do it as one piece, so you can't just change like this. This is the seal I bought, explain that in a minute. But instead of doing it like that, where it sort of goes on, you can change your seal, like a door seal or anything like that. No, decided to do it as one piece. Cheers, BMW. Or yeah. So basically, I've trimmed that off. I've degreased it all. This was a nightmare to get off because the which wiper would it have been? So the one closest to the passenger side, the centre one, was a doddle to get off. I say a doddle. I still had to get my again, you'll see in the video in a minute, but I did have to get the what's it called, the wiper puller off to get that off. But the driver's side one's the one that's closest to, obviously, the straight in front of the driver's window. That was, I've never known a wiper to be stuck on like that. It took me, I had to end up stopping recording because it won't come off for anything. I've gone through probably half a can of WD-40 and everything. It's horrible. This is only going to be, what's the word? A temporary fix. Because if I just lift the scuttle panel up, you can see the seal there that obviously goes for the wiper blades. has started to deteriorate, and the seal that's on the back side, so here you can see that started to come off and stuff. So I will be getting a new one eventually. But these are currently one of the hardest things, if not the hardest thing to get for BMWs. They are about £270 plus VAT, I think, from the dealership. But you're looking about between 4 to 6 months waiting. That's what they quoted me a couple of months ago anyway, so it could be less, could be more. But I am not paying £300 to wait 6 months for a scuttle panel, which is a bit of plastic. I'll do it eventually, but I'm just going to see how this looks. I've not really seen many people do this. There's a forum on Reddit, which some guy goes into thing, which I'll put in the link link below, or description below even. Doy.
You idiot! You're honestly an idiot. I don't know what's wrong with you.
But as videos go, I've not really seen anybody do it. So it's always been a case of replacing the scuttle panel, which, to be fair, is a 10-minute job. I thought for people that can't afford £300 and waiting 6 months or whatever, or if yours has gone to the point of it's leaking water in and stuff like that, this would be a nice, quick, easy afternoon DIY. So what I've done is bought this seal, which is just, it cost me about £6-7 off eBay. So it's got a little slot on here, which will slot onto the bit I've cut off. Obviously it's got double-sided tape on it that will stick to the window. So it should look a bit like, if it will actually go on, a bit like that. Obviously it'll look a lot neater when it's done. So I'll move that out of the way. These are the clips that you need. This is one that's broken off the back of this, so I bought a pack of them. You make sure, even if you don't use them and you send them back, make sure you get these. Again, I'll link them below. Make sure you get these clips because they snap so easy, like any other plastic clip. They snap so easy. Move that out of the way a bit. So yeah, these are the two caps that go over the 15 mils that hold this on as well. So I'll be coating them, which then brings me on to the main thing. Is Cerakote. This is not sponsored, by the way, and I've never used this stuff. I've seen a lot of YouTubers use this, and I don't know how this is going to work. It could go amazing, it could go crap. I've never used this stuff before. I've watched videos, it looks easy, but it's me, so I'll probably end up cutting to a clip of me going, damn shit, I've messed it up. If I haven't, then all good. If I do, ignore this video and find something else to watch. But yeah, this is Cerakote ceramic trim coat. It's quick and easy. It says quick and easy. We'll see. No greasy mess. 200 wash guarantees. Apparently it's meant to last at least 2 years. It's UV rays. UV ray protected. It comes with a couple of pairs of gloves and a lot of ceramic wipes. So these are, each pack is, so if I just do that. So you'll see this is ceramic. I'm not going to open it yet, but these are ceramic. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You get 10 packs. No, I've not opened that. That's good. It's right. It ripped a bit, and I thought it opened. Apparently, they don't smell the best. Again, as I go through the video, I'll sort that out. Yeah, it gives you directions and everything. So apparently, 3 or 4 should do all of this. Giving you instructions as well. QR codes for anybody that's interested. Again, I've never used this. Made in the USA, so we'll see how it goes. This panel here, I will be looking to replace the pollen thing. I will be looking to replace with carbon, but as it's faded, I thought, till I get the carbon bit, it's worth a go, isn't it? So let's stop talking, boring you guys, so I do apologise. And let's crack on with this.
drinking Rastar, obsessed with what I miss together. She got the new iPhone, I got the Sony Ericsson. Got me fucked up, my baby made me trip again. Thinking about the things that she said, wasn't listening. Drinking Rastar, obsessed with what I miss together. She got the new iPhone, I got the Sony Ericsson. Got me fucked up, my baby made me trip again. Thinking about the things that she said, wasn't listening. Thinking about the things that she said, wasn't listening. She got the new iPhone, I got the Sony Ericsson. Got the Sony Ericsson. Thinking about the things that she said, wasn't listening. She got the new iPhone, I got the Sony Ericsson. Got the Sony Ericsson. Drinking Rastar, obsessed with what I miss together. She got the new iPhone, I got the Sony Ericsson. Got me fucked up, my baby made me trip again. Thinking about the things.
Right people, so it has been a couple of days now since I've done the scuttle panel. If I just close my bonnet down a little bit, because I do have some stuff to show you. So obviously this is now what it now looks like. So you've got the seal all the way across the top. Yeah, it's a bit dirty, but we'll ignore that bit. So the seal goes across the top. And then obviously now this has had time to cure, especially in the lovely sun. So yeah, I think that looks really good. Like I said, it's not going to be a permanent fix. Go this side as well. Not going to be a permanent fix, but you can definitely tell it looks. And I've put a thin layer of tiger seal across the top, just to keep it down and sealed, just so the water runs down where it should do, down the gullies. But yeah, and then if I open the bonnet back up, by the way, I am getting some new bonnet struts because I'll add a clip in here. But yeah, it hurt. So I will be getting some new bonnet struts. I've ordered them, just waiting for them to turn up, because it does hold, but it is a bit slow. So if I stand back a bit, it sort of goes up, but slowly. And as you saw by the video, it just comes down. So basically what I've done is I've used the same trim coat, that's the Cerakote trim coat that's on these two bits, which you can even see that's actually, again, ignore the dust, but it's holding up lovely on there. So I've done these bits, I've done that, and these bits on here, and then the wash bottle lid, which was fun, because I've now filled it full of Auto Finesse's new, I think it's called Vista, so it's their screen wash, basically like ceramic screen wash, but it was full of algae and everything. I had an old foam pad on here, on this bit, where the old owner had HIDs and mounted the ballast onto there. So I've taken it off, pressure washed it out, cleaned it up. I've got for the what's it called, the underglow cables come up here and then they go along here, but they were just bright red like they do on this side here. I need to tidy this bit up, but you could see they stuck out like a sore thumb. So I've wrapped them in black tape as well, made it look a lot nicer and a lot more OEM. Also, what else have I done? Oh yes, when I had this out, I've put some gold tape on my aircon lines, because I found out that actually works. It's because obviously it works for heat dissipation and stuff like that. It actually works lovely, and so I put it on my aircon lines with some lovely, if it focuses, Slammed UK gravity cable ties just to keep it on. That looks all nice and tidy. Also, my favourite bit is I've put a sticker on my brace bar. Obviously, when I stand back, you can't really see it. It's only like when you get close, it's like what's it called? It's like an Easter egg. So I quite like that. But yeah, it will slow down a little bit now at the moment. Close that. But yeah, so it will slow down a little bit at the minute. Because basically all the stuff I need to do now are the bigger bits. So I found a roll cage that will fit in the back but fit into the ISO fixed points, which means I can actually now still keep my back seats and everything in. It's like a half cage, show cage kind of thing. Found a company that do carbon bonnet, carbon wings. What else? So yeah, a lot of it's more expensive bits now. So this is the bit I've been looking forward to, but not looking forward to, is the expensive bits. They are expensive, but that makes it worthwhile. So it's all well and good, cool doing these little bits and tricks and maintenance. But yeah, that's it. So yeah, I'm wanted elsewhere. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace.